Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today's going to be a nail video, and it is an oh my god video because one of my subscribers, Jilly, and hi Jilly, she has been so generous and she sent me 3 boxes of ImPRESS nails. That she collected over the years and didn't use. These are all brand new nails. They still have the tape on the sides and they're just gorgeous because some of these nails they don't make anymore. So I feel very, very privileged to be experiencing this wonderful, thoughtful, generous gift from Jilly. So thank you, Jilly. Thank you so, so much. And because of her generosity, I am able to share with you all, well, not you all, 5 of my subscribers. I am going to do a giveaway of 5 boxes of these ImPRESS nails. And I already talked to Jilly. She said it was great and wonderful to share. So everyone that is chosen, and so I have 5 of these little packages of 5 sets of nails, and I will be shipping them out to 5 of my subscribers, and everyone will be getting a Christmas reindeer set. I love these. These are one of my faves. Everyone will be getting a French. And these are the short length. Everyone will be getting a Christmas snowflake. It's kind of a navy blue. Not kind of, it is navy blue with some silver bling. And everyone will be getting a pastel. These are really, really pretty. You can do the purple, you can do the pink, and then there's kind of like an iridescent, and everyone will be getting a purple. So yeah, so I'm really excited to be able to share these with you. So if you are interested in getting one of these little packages of 5 sets of nails, then just send me an email and tell me if you're interested. And then depending on how many I get, I'll choose 5 and I'll send them out to you. So if you're interested, please send me an email. My email's underneath here, but it's also going to be in the description section. It's always in the description section. Okay, so I am going to be putting on these Rebecca Minkoff. I'm sure they were a limited edition. These are called Glitterati. And I'm just going to be doing the pink French, if you can see that. And so I'm pretty excited about this. I think they're very, very pretty. We're gonna put them on. I don't know if they're gonna be too long. We'll see. If they are, I can just easily trim them down. Some of you have been asking on some of my nail videos how I remove the nails. And I have shown that in prior videos, but I'm gonna show you today. I have had these nails on for going on 2 weeks. They have lasted. I haven't lost a single one since I put these on. So I'm just going to remove them. I use a little wooden cuticle pusher to get underneath the nail and pop it off. I will give the nails a little bit of a file just to get the glue off of, any remaining glue off of my nail. And then I'm just going to choose my sizes and get these nails on, and we will see how they come out. So come on down. right, guys, here it is. This is a sweet pink French. This is really, really pretty. I really love how this came out. It's very delicate. It's very feminine. I don't know if you can still get it. What's it called again? Glitterati. I don't know if it's still available. Probably not. But I wanted to use some of the nails that Jilly sent me. I'm thrilled with how they came out. I love them. So again, if you want to get a pack of 5 with these really cute Christmas nails, and there's 2 sets of Christmas nails and some other really nice nails, including a French, then just send me an email and let me know that you would like to be in the running for one of these. I would love to be able to send it to you. So that is my nail video for this week. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Again, thank you, Jilly, so much for showering me with these nails. A lot of them you can no longer get, so I'm thrilled to be able to try them out over the next several months. And I would love to share the wealth with you. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments if you like these nails and if you will give ImPRESS nails a try. I always add a little bit of glue to these nails. Some of them have really great adhering power on their own, but just to be on the safe side, I always like to add just that drop of glue because that makes them stay on for a good week to 10 days without any of them popping off, which is great. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're new here, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing and coming on back. So take care, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.